Hey guys, so I'm super excited today. I got some announcements here real quick to get to, and then we're gonna get into what the video is about, which is an unboxing of the Holybro Kopis Mini. But I got a few announcements to get to here first. The first one, I thought there might have been a misunderstanding on the 1 year later review on my drone that I did, because I was talking about a giveaway in it. Okay, just so everybody knows, I'm not giving away my drone. The thing I'm giving away is this. So we're all clear and all on the same page. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, with you guys' help, I'm gonna give this away. So once I get to 1,000 subscribers, then I'll announce the instructions on the giveaway. So I'm at 380 something, 390 right now. So this is what I'm gonna give away. This is a Tamiya Super Champ. It's not ready to go. It is gonna need a little bit of restoration, but it's quite valuable once you get it going. And so hopefully the winner of it is somebody that knows how to work on stuff. But that's all I know to say. So as soon as we can get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give this away. All right, so let's get to the second announcement. The second announcement is this video I have planned here. I just wanted to kind of update you guys on what I'm doing with it. So this is a JATO, and the only way you can get this car is a nitro version. It only comes in nitro, and this one has a lot of upgrades on it, but the motor is bad. And I've decided it's mine, and so I've decided I want to make it into an e-JATO, an electric JATO, running brushless motor and LiPo battery like the rest of the electric RCs. So I got this hot racing JATO electric conversion set, and I got this Castle 3S ESC and motor that I'm going to put in it, and I got several 3S batteries. And I also got this single speed conversion kit. It makes it to where the transmission only runs one speed, which is what you need for electric. And then I got a set of upgraded shocks that I'm going to throw on there. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is going to be a video. I'm going to do a video on the build of this so you guys can watch me build it. This is going to be fun, guys. To let you guys know, about 10 or 15 years ago, the JATO was my very first RC car. It was the very first one I bought. I bought a nitro version of it, and I bought it brand new in the box at a local hobby store. And ever since then, I got hooked on these things, and now I collect them, and I got many of them. I'm a bigger fan of electric these days, but I still like the nitros. I still have my T-Max down there. But yeah, guys, that's going to be the next video after this one. We're going to be building that JATO and making it into an e-JATO. But now let's get to the main point of this video, and it's going to be the unboxing of this Holybro Kopis Mini, 3-inch. I got everything I need here except my batteries, and they're supposed to be coming FedEx today. So I should be able to finish this video up today. This is the Holybro Kopis Mini. We're fixing to unbox it and open it up. And then I got my Ishin goggles. I plan to get better goggles later on, but this was all I could afford right now. It'll get me flying anyway. The footage may not be too great because I can't record in HD, but I might put a GoPro on there, so I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. But yeah, at the end of this video, we're going to take it for a quick test flight so we can show you guys how it runs. And then I got my Taranis QX7 FR Sky remote, and I got some Uma Grip by Uma God on YouTube. It's Universal Super Sticky Battery Pad. This is good stuff here, guys. Awesome product and great flights. Thanks, buddy. Alright, guys, let's get into this unboxing. Here we go. Alright, guys, here we go with the unboxing of the Kopis Mini by Holybro. Let's see what this thing looks like. I can't wait. Don't need that anymore. Let's see what this thing looks like, guys. Hopefully my batteries come soon. I want to get this thing going. What's it look like? What's it look like? Oh, sweet. Look at it, guys. Oh, it looks nice. Heck yeah. Look at that, look at that. Woo, it's got a lot going on in there. It's nice, guys. I like it. I can't wait to fly it. Like I said, hopefully my batteries come soon. You guys are gonna see it here in just a second, but for me it's however long it takes for my batteries to get here. Anyway, guys, there it is. Let's check out the props. Looks like it came with some T-motor props. Look like decent props. And what is all this stuff? Oh, it came with a GoPro mount. Cool. And some other goodies. Came with the GoPro mount and a few little goodies. Prop nuts. Sweet, guys. Alright, guys. So I finally got it going. We're going to go out and take it for a test flight. I haven't driven it yet. Big shout out to CementKid. If you guys don't know who he is, check him out on YouTube. His name's CementKid. He helped me get it everything set right and everything bound and everything set up the way it had to be able to fly it. So thanks, CementKid. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to go check out some cool FPV flights, he lives up in New York and he does some cool stuff on his channel. But this is the drone, guys. This is the FPV drone. It's in the case. I got two 3-cell batteries, my controller, and then my Eachine EV800D goggles, budget goggles. And we're going to take it over here to this park and record a couple flights and see what you guys think. So without too much talking, let's roll those flights right now. Alright guys, here we go. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the Holybro Kopis Mini unboxing and first flight. And of course this is my first FPV drone really. So as you guys can see, I'm not very good yet. So I'm gonna do a whole bunch of practicing off camera. I'm gonna practice a whole lot. 2 or 3, 4 packs a day probably. And then I'm gonna come back and make another video and you guys can tell me if I got better. That's the plan. I like it, it works. And I gotta have CementKid help me unlock the VTX. Need a little bit more milliwatts out of it than what it is. breaks up, like just right out in an open field, just right there, it's starting to break up. So anyway, big shout out to CementKid for helping me. I really appreciate your help, buddy. And if you guys enjoyed the video, leave it a like, and if you're new, subscribe. Can't wait to make more videos with it, guys. Hopefully I'm going to get good at it. The next video to come is going to be the JADO to an EJADO. Thanks for watching.